gonna do whenever a car is going by.
God damn. Perfect for a cop right there. Turning around in the middle of the road.
I just want to see the back of the jail. Wish I could.
Yeah, I wish you could see it.
I mean, you can see the fence.
Yeah.
Right here, it's no problem, Jake. Right here, it's no problem.